Okay, there you go. It's all cut out and matched. I'm not worried too much about the gaps between the two pieces. The original top had gaps, and you just fill it in with a resin in those spaces. I may actually throw some fiberglass in with it just to make it harder. So, of course, I do have the, I think it's the 107 or 205, 207. I'm not sure what number name is the additive for the West systems that you use to bond to do the bond. Not 107, it's 203. Anyway, so anyway, like I said, this is what I got going on, and I'll update y'all soon.